Bullish SELFKEY truly key coin cost estimate goes from 0.0123 to 0.03. The genuinely key coin cost could similarly sort of reach 0.05 soon. Beautiful. As opposed to prevalent thinking key kind of bad market cost assumption for 2021, especially as 0.005 in SELFKEY. By and large key coin cost conjecture 2021, we use estimations cost plans RSI and a ton, especially different information about key coin, to separate the future improvement of the computerized cash, a blockchain-based character stage as SELFKEY, which truly is genuinely huge. SELFKEY gives individuals, associations, exchanges, fintech, new organizations and banks, which is genuinely critical. The SELFKEY key is used in the climate to sort of manage the events happening inside it and to ensure certainly fluid trade systems according to Kinjeko. The key coin cost truly is trading at 0.008369 with a 24-hour trading volume of 7,944,182 at the hour of making, which truly is genuinely huge. Nevertheless, SELFKEY in a real sense has extended by 2679. At this point, furthermore, SELFKEY fundamentally has a streaming reserve of 461 BKey. All things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking at this point, kind of key coin trades, computerized money exchanges like Binance Cointage or KuCoin hit mechanics markets in a fundamentally significant way. SELFKEY exceptionally key coin value forecast 2021. SELFKEY key coin stands firm on the 573rd traction on Kinjeko. Right now, in an unpretentious manner, SELFKEY pretty key coin cost assumption 2021 in a real sense is figured out under with a regular time span. In spite of mainstream thinking, the above frame really shows the kind of balanced triangle plans in opposition to prevalent thinking. Generally, a decent triangle is made of a plummeting corner-to-corner up design line, and a most certainly vertical inclining in every way that really matters lower design line by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Exactly when there sort of is an expense increase, it will undeniably in every practical sense traverse the upper example line to break, and in a rise, the expense will augment or truly break in an unobtrusive manner. A much lower design line cultivates a jump forward, and a plunging design in which costs drop in a sort of significant manner. In the everyday time span diagram, the exceptionally key coin can in a real sense reach 0.034 if the bull design continues in an unobtrusive manner, else if the expense of the in every practical sense key breaks the assistance level of 0.0068, it will tumble to the accompanying assistance level at 0.0033. Amazingly, in this manner, the example of the key coin relies upon the breakout lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Key help and opposition level. The underneath diagram generally shows the assistance and resistance level of pretty key from the above ordinary periods of time. It certainly is somewhat clear. Coming up kind of next are the obstacle and sponsorship levels of key, which truly is very huge. Obstacle level 100128845, obstruction level 200193997, obstruction level 300344443, support level 100071157, support level 200043938, support level 3003184. The blueprints show that key coin generally has played out a bullish example all through the kind of the month before. If this example continues, XDC could run close by the bulls, outperforming its resistance level at 0.034. On the essentially other hand, in case the monetary supporters explicitly sell out the crypto, the expense of genuinely key could plunge to in every way that really matters almost 0.005, a negative sign in a for the most part large manner. SELFKEY key by and large normal directional list ADX. Presently, we ought to look at the average directional rundown ADX of key, or so they explicitly thought. Overall, the kind of normal directional record ADX in a real sense helps crypto handle sort of recognize the strength of an example as opposed to its certifiable course, or so they by and large thought it can use to check whether the market most certainly is changing or it beginning a new craze. It in a real sense is connected with the directional development record MI and consolidates the ADX line, which generally is very critical. The extent of the oscillator basically is from 2021 basically is bullish in an unobtrusive manner. It explicitly has a kind of enormous opportunity to very overpower its continuous all-time high of 0.043. This year or so they especially thought in any case this happens, given that it breaks various especially past mental assurances. Furthermore, with the non-stop developments and overhauls inside the especially key climate, it could experience an essentially exceptional future ahead in 2021. 2021, which is very huge. It could by and large reach 003 soon, and it could in a real sense attempt and in every practical sense show up at commonly undeniable levels, yet coming to 005, expecting monetary sponsor, generally have organized that essentially Keycoin really is a shrewd interest in 2021, as opposed to mainstream thinking. SELFKEY value forecast 2025.